Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of YaadMentz Tries. Before we get into what we're doing today, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that you're updated every time we post a video. Anything happening on our channel, you guys will be the first to know. Also, I want to remind you guys to follow us on Instagram at YaadMentz and like our Facebook page
as well
at YaadMentz as well.
Yes.
Also, please remember to thumbs up this video if you like it, and please feel free to check out the other videos that we have on our channel. We have loads of content. So if you're just watching, the first time you're watching, please go check out the rest of our videos and like and comment and share and all that good stuff.
Come on now, it's YaadMentz, alright?
So what are we doing today?
Alright, so today we are doing some Olé Extreme Chips. We had done an episode previously before on when they dropped the Xtreme, the Xtreme line, right? So they have two new flavors. So they have the Xtreme Sweet Heat,
Olé Extreme Sweet Heat,
and the Chia and Flax seed.
So Olé Chia and Flax seed tortilla chips.
Right.
So this is what they look like, and you guys will see a closer look of them.
Right, as well.
We actually got this from this idea. From our suggestion from one of our subscribers.
Let me tell you. I'm looking for
I'm
it.
gonna
I'm
say big up yourself from now. Let us just get the name right. It's DJ Javi.
DJ Javi,
big up yourself. He's one of our very loyal subscribers. Anytime we don't post a video, this dude is like, guys, one day, one video. So big up yourself.
Big up
really
yourself,
appreciate
DJ Javi.
you. Always commenting, always liking, following us on Instagram and all the work. Big up yourself.
He
Thanks
suggested
a lot
this.
for
Big
the
up yourself,
suggestion.
you. Alright, so let us dive into and see what's happening. Which one you want to try first?
I think I want to try the least exciting one first, which to me is Sweet Heat.
Okay.
But chia seeds, I mean, I don't really know what that's about. You know, chia seeds in a chip, not really familiar with that. So let's try Sweet Heat.
What smell?
It smells nice. It smells like almost like barbecue.
Yeah, it's a barbecue, the Rita smell. Yeah. Okay, go ahead. This is what they look like. They look like tortilla chips. Yeah, they are tortilla chips.
So yeah.
And you can see it look like seasoning to me, but
the
flavor.
Sprinkling on it.
Right.
Ready?
It's not bad.
More sweet than heat though. I'm not really tasting a kick. Try another one.
Well, the heat, sometimes heat kind of take a time to really kick in, but I think it can kind of...
Or maybe they can't really make it too spicy because I think this is more of like a kid's kind of snack, I guess.
Right.
So they can't really make it like real hot, but I think it's more sweet than heat, but it still tastes nice.
Yeah, it tastes nice.
It tastes like the sweet part tastes kind of like barbecue sauce, but you can taste that there are other seasonings in there.
Yeah, the blend is good. The blend is good for this one. The sweet heat, for real. I like it.
Yeah.
Can go on.
Fresh and crispy as usual.
Yeah.
So vibe.
Can go on. I like it.
I generally like sweet and spicy stuff. Yeah. I generally like those kind of flavors.
Could I eat a burger and entire episode?
Exactly. Nice. Alright. Second one, as we mentioned, is Olé Chia and Flax seed.
And they are
to be interesting.
Sunshine Snacks Olé chips. I should know Sunshine Snacks. Sunshine Snacks is a brand that has been around for ages, for me a little boy. So
this one looks very different.
Oh, it's white. It looks like cookie and cream.
Stop it. You're talking about Hershey's white chocolate cookie and cream. That's what it looks like? That's what it reminds you of?
It's about Hershey cookie and cream. Look, that's what it looks like. You can see the flax seeds in it.
I was just about to say you can definitely see the flax seeds up in this.
It does look like cookie and cream. If I had seen this somewhere, I'm like, is that cookie and cream? I'm serious.
He's so dramatic. But it's not really giving me a scent, really.
Yeah.
Or a very faint, like light scent.
I guess this is the healthy snack. It doesn't really have that much taste.
Yeah, it doesn't really have as much as taste.
It's really bland.
Flavor. It's really bland.
Yeah, it don't have nothing. It don't have nothing to it, like for real. If you're
it tastes like a plain chip. You know how in chips them have barbecue flavor, cheese flavor, whatever. This just tastes like an original flavor, like an original, just regular dead,
Yeah, it's just plain, like it don't have nothing.
I don't really taste the flax seed or the chia. I'm not familiar with those seeds. I don't really know if those seeds actually have a taste or a flavor. I don't know if they do. Comment down below if you guys are familiar with flaxseed and chia seeds, but it doesn't really have a flavor to me.
I mean, there's salt. You can taste the salt, but
yeah, but I mean, it's okay. I mean,
if you're looking for a healthy snack, this is it.
We don't know if it's a healthy snack. First of all,
it tastes healthy to me though.
It has 260 calories in one container.
Look at me there, big top. But it tastes healthy though, I'm not lying.
350 milligrams of sodium,
6
grams of fat, 15 saturated fat, 15 grams of total fat.
With all that salt, it has to balance because it doesn't have that much taste to it, so you need that salt to really bring out some of the taste.
It's not bad still, it tastes like a nice fresh crisp chip.
It don't have no flavor, bland people like.
It's not that bad.
It's not bad, but it don't have no vibe to it. But as I say, it tastes like a healthy snack. If you want something healthy in the Olé line, this is definitely it. But the sweet heat is definitely
this actually has more calories than this.
Alright,
this one has 220. So I'm gonna stop listening to him about healthy.
It is healthy, I think. But yeah.
What would you give it? YaadMentz thumbs up or thumbs down?
I'm definitely going to give the sweet heat a YaadMentz thumbs up because it's have a vibe. I like the vibe of this, but the flax seed, the chia and flax seed, I'll definitely give it a halfway thumbs, not a thumbs down because it's still it can go on, but definitely it's not for me though.
Yeah, I would give both of them a YaadMentz thumbs up to be honest. Both of the chips taste very nice, fresh, crispy, would go nice with dip, just like any other chip. They're pretty nice. Chia and flaxseed, that's a pretty good idea. I like the idea of it. I think chia and flaxseed are supposed to be good for you.
Yeah.
But
that's why it's
I don't know if the combination of all the ingredients used to make the chip is the healthiest, but I know those two seeds on its own are usually pretty healthy for you.
Okay.
So yeah, both of them can fly to me. Both of them taste fine to me. Yeah.
Anyway, guys. Thank you for watching another episode of YaadMentz. There you have it. The Olé have 2 new flavors out. The Olé chia seed and flax seed and the Olé Extreme Sweet Heat. Yeah. We definitely recommend trying them. They are good. Big up yourself again, DJ Jeffy,
for
the suggestion. Yeah, him go out and him see it and him say, yo guys, you take out a road. So big up yourself. We went out and we tried it and we definitely like him.
Yes, and guys, if you have any other suggestions, feel free to DM us, comment down below. Right on our Facebook page, we will see it and we will go there and try it for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like us and follow us. Like this video, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at YaadMentz, and we'll see you in our next episode. Bye guys.
Out.